That's a thick wing.
Ooh, it's more sauce than I thought, for sure.
Chef Willie likes to serve his jumbo wings in a pond of scorching hot sauce. In this case, the brain burner. Pepperdome, what time is it? Clean that wing! Clean that wing! John and Dugan diving in. Clean that wing! Quick! Not Nina's first wing. John and Dugan holding it up. That's how it's done.
How do you do this to yourself?
A medical marvel. But John, I'm curious, what are you feeling right now?
It burns so much.
Dugan, how are you feeling?
I like to move when this happens.
I like how you guys have hiccups of different pitches. It sounds like an orchestra over here. Nina, Aaliyah?
We're sweating. My eyes are the problem. They water. The inside of my mouth is sweating.
Well, round one is all about how being on the sauce makes your brain feel like it's in a microwave with a little game we call Under the Influence. These multiple choice questions are all about famous people on social media. The first team to buzz in after the question is read gets 5 seconds to answer. You get the question right, you bank the money. You get the question wrong, the money goes to the other team. Let's get ready because it's time to play Hot Ones the Game Show.
Going down, boys.
You say so.
This first one is for $100.
Yes.
Jessica Biel, Victoria Beckham, Chrissy Teigen. Who was referring to her husband with this 2019 tweet? I have fulfilled my dream of having boned people's sexiest man alive. Twerking besties.
Chrissy Teigen.
Chrissy Teigen. All right, for $100, is it Chrissy Teigen?